What is up, guys? This is Ray L Raggedy. So hopefully you guys are actually doing pretty good in this time of quarantine. There's almost nothing to
This
do.
whole day
Consists of just exercise, chilling at home, kind of just watching TV, Netflix. So hopefully all you guys are staying at home and staying safe. Don't go out there trying to get this bacteria all up on you. But other than that, what I'm gonna do today or right now, it's around 6:30 p.m. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much clean my engine bay because last time I actually spilled some of that coolant into the engine bay, and now it's kind of smelling. And even when I walked out this morning, it did kind of smell like coolant. So I was like, maybe I should just clean it. So I might as well record this as I'm cleaning my engine bay. So stay tuned. Alright, so for this, I pretty much just got just regular soapy water. I got a few here. Just kind of watered it down a little bit, and then some of that super cleaner. So you guys can see that super wheel cleaner. Same thing as pretty much a degreaser and like that. Just not gonna